Do you want to rank your Shopify store higher in Google search results? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. Welcome to our guide on mastering the basics of search engine optimization, or SEO, for Shopify stores in 2023. SEO is the art and science of improving the visibility and ranking of your website in search engine results pages, lovingly referred to as SERPs. The higher your website ranks in the SERPs, the more likely it is to catch the eye of potential customers, leading to more clicks, more visitors, and ultimately, more sales. In the bustling marketplace of the internet, SEO is an invaluable tool for Shopify stores. Studies have shown that organic search traffic, that is, visitors who find your store through a search engine, is one of the most valuable sources of traffic for online stores. But how does SEO work? The answer is both simple and complex. In essence, search engines like Google use a variety of factors to rank websites in the SERPs. These include the content on your website, the links pointing to your website, and the technical aspects of your website. When it comes to SEO for Shopify stores, there are several key strategies you can employ. These include researching the right keywords that your target customers are searching for, optimizing your on-page content such as product titles, descriptions, and image alt text, and ensuring your website's technical aspects like loading speed, mobile friendliness, and security are up to scratch. And for those just starting out in the world of SEO, here's a quick tip. Focus on a few relevant keywords, create high-quality, informative, and engaging content, and start building backlinks, which are seen as a vote of confidence by Google. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to start seeing results. But with patience, persistence, and high-quality content, you'll start to see your Shopify store climb the ranks of the SERPs. So, are you ready to dive deeper into the world of SEO? Let's explore how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO. The first step in optimizing your Shopify store is keyword research. This is where you identify the words and phrases that your potential customers are using when they search online. Think about it. You want your products in store to show up when these keywords are typed into a search engine, right? So, this is a crucial step. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find these relevant keywords. Once you've got your keywords, it's time for on-page SEO. This is all about making sure your Shopify store pages are optimized for those keywords. You can do this by incorporating these keywords into your product titles, product descriptions, and even image alt text. Just remember, you're writing for humans, not just search engines, so make sure your content is engaging and makes sense. But let's not forget about technical SEO. This refers to the technical aspects of your website that can impact your ranking and search results. This includes things like your website's loading speed, mobile friendliness, and security. For example, if your site takes forever to load or isn't mobile friendly, search engines may rank it lower. Shopify has some great built-in tools to help you with these technical aspects, but there are also third-party tools you can use to give you that extra edge. Now, I know this might all sound a bit overwhelming, but trust me, it's worth it. By focusing on keyword research, on-page SEO, and technical SEO, you're well on your way to improving your store's visibility in search engine results. And remember, higher visibility can lead to more visitors, and more visitors can lead to more sales. With these tactics, you are one step closer to ranking higher on Google's search results. Just be patient, keep refining your strategy, and watch as your Shopify store climbs higher in the rankings. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint, but with persistence and the right tactics, you can reach the finish line. If you're just starting out with SEO, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Firstly, focus on a select few keywords. It's tempting to cram as many keywords as possible into your site, but it's more effective to concentrate on a few relevant ones. Think about what your target customers are searching for, and use a keyword research tool like Google Keyword Planner to find the most relevant terms. Secondly, create high-quality content. This cannot be overstressed. Google values informative, engaging content that provides value to its users. Ensure that your product descriptions, blog posts, and any other content on your Shopify store is well-written and useful to your visitors. Thirdly, build backlinks. These are links from other websites that point to your own. Google views these as a vote of confidence, signaling that your site is a trustworthy source of information. You can build these valuable backlinks by guest blogging, submitting your site to directories, and promoting your content on social media. Finally, be patient. This is perhaps the most important tip for SEO beginners. Improving your site's ranking won't happen overnight, SEO is a long-term strategy that requires consistent effort. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating quality content, keep building those backlinks, and over time you'll start to see your Shopify store climb the SERPs. And remember, SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires regular attention and adjustment. As search engine algorithms evolve and new trends emerge, you'll need to review and update your SEO strategy accordingly. To sum up, start with a few targeted keywords, invest in high-quality content, build backlinks, and be patient. These are the foundational elements of SEO, and they'll serve you well as you navigate your journey towards higher search engine rankings. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent and the results will show. If you're serious about SEO for your Shopify store, consider hiring an SEO expert. Now you might be asking, why do I need an expert when I can do it myself? Here's the thing, SEO is a complex and ever-changing field. Just when you think you've got a handle on it, search engine algorithms change, and you're back to square one. An SEO expert is someone who lives and breathes this stuff. They're up to date with the latest trends and changes, and they know exactly what needs to be done to get your Shopify store ranking higher. Here are some of the key benefits of hiring an SEO expert for your Shopify store. 1. They save you time. SEO is not a one-and-done task. It requires continuous effort and adjustment. An SEO expert can take this task off your hands, leaving you free to focus on other aspects of your business. 2. They bring specialized knowledge and experience. SEO experts have a deep understanding of how search engines work. They know the best practices and strategies to improve your store's visibility and ranking. 3. They provide measurable results. SEO experts use various tools and techniques to track the progress of your SEO efforts. They can provide you with detailed reports, showing you exactly where you stand and what needs to be done to improve. So, how does the process of hiring an SEO expert work? First, the expert will conduct a thorough audit of your Shopify store. They'll identify areas of improvement and develop a comprehensive SEO strategy. Next, they'll implement this strategy. This might involve optimizing your product descriptions, building backlinks, improving your site's loading speed, and so on. Finally, they'll monitor and adjust the strategy as needed. SEO is an ongoing process. What works today might not work tomorrow. An expert will keep a close eye on your SEO performance and make adjustments as necessary. An expert can help you navigate the complex world of SEO and ensure your Shopify store ranks higher. They are a worthwhile investment for any Shopify store owner who's serious about improving their online visibility and driving more organic traffic to their store. SEO is a complex but crucial aspect of any Shopify store's marketing strategy. By understanding and implementing SEO basics, you can increase visibility, attract more visitors to your store, and ultimately, boost your sales. Let's recap what we've discussed today. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website's visibility on search engine results pages. It's a fundamental part of your Shopify store's marketing strategy because it helps you draw organic traffic, which is a valuable source of potential customers. We've explored the key aspects of SEO for Shopify stores, starting with keyword research. Identifying the right keywords is the foundation of your SEO strategy. These are the words your target customers are using when they're searching for products or services like yours. Optimizing your store with these keywords, especially in your product titles, descriptions, and image alt text, helps search engines understand what your store is about and rank it higher in search results. Technical SEO is another crucial element. It involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website, like loading speed, mobile friendliness, and security, all of which contribute to a better user experience and higher search engine rankings. And let's not forget about backlinks. These are the links from other websites to your own. They're like votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines, and they can significantly improve your website's ranking. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. It might take some time to see results, but with patience and consistent effort, you'll start noticing improvements in your store's ranking. And if you're serious about SEO, consider hiring an SEO expert. They can provide valuable insights and help you optimize your Shopify store effectively and efficiently. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We're here to help and would love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We regularly post tips and tricks to help you run your Shopify store more effectively. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing.